router, and then my cat walked on my monitor.
Yeah. My cat ate my router, so.
You know, my cat actually turned off my computer midstream once.
That's
Kind
awesome.
of crazy.
Yeah. They do that. I know what it's like.
Oh wait, yeah, Corpse, your cat. What's the cat's name again?
Cinnamon.
Yeah. How long? Wait, I forget. How long have you had the cat?
That I'll never tell the exact timeline.
Wait, why?
Because okay, at first I was like, I don't know if I'm responsible enough to have an animal, so I don't want to like, I want to like make sure I'm sure about it first. You know what I mean?
Does make
Okay.
sense. It's very responsible, actually, to think that.
Yeah.